Here's a quick introduction to Pixlr Express. If I go to Pixlr Express, which I previously downloaded from the Chrome store, it's going to give me 4 options. I can choose a picture by browsing from my computer, like that, and open. I can open a URL of a picture, like if I took this URL, copy, open URL, right click, paste it. I can open it that way. I'll load the image. Close. I can use the webcam to take a picture. Allow the camera to turn on. I can retake it, I can use the image, I can cancel. Or I can create a collage of pictures using many different pictures from my computer. These are your options of how to get the images. Now I'm going to show you how you can adjust them. So if I pick a photo, here is a picture that was taken with a camera phone. It's not high quality, but we can easily change this to be a better looking picture using things such as the adjustment and the effects and the overlays, etc. So if I go to adjustment, the main ones you want to look at are your contrast is a good one. Contrast covers the brightness and the contrast of the photo. So you can make it brighter, you can make it really dark, and then contrast changes the contrast of the photo. So you can tell, if I don't apply this, here's the original image. Contrast, add a little bit more contrast and maybe make it a little bit darker, and it gives the image a little more depth. And then you click apply. So I've played with the contrast. You can also play with the color adjustments. You can crop the image. Maybe I want it to be a square image. Maybe I want to only include really the teacher. You can play with the saturation of the color. You want it very vibrant or very grayscale, black and white. You can again play with the lightness, how light it is, how dark. Reset these all back to 0. Oops. And then the hue is you want it to look a little more green or blue or purple or what have you. That's really for corrections though. So we cropped, we've played with color, we play with contrast. If we go to effects, these are predetermined different filters basically, kind of like what you see in Instagram. So if you click it, it'll show you what it looks like. There's lots of different options. And you can play with how much you want it. Maybe you like this, but not to 100%. Maybe you want it to just kind of have that effect. So there's lots of different effects. You can click any of the different effects. Subtle. You can do more crazy things. Then you have overlays, which are especially good like for if you want to have a shadow outline, or maybe you want to do something a little crazier. Lots of different options. You can also add a border. Maybe you want it to look like film. You can add stickers. which are just like what it sounds like. Maybe you want a picture of a monkey. Change the size, you can change the orientation. I have a monkey on the wall. And then you can type words if you want, like hello. Change the color. And then once you're satisfied with your picture, you can press save. Change the quality. I usually change it to 100%. And then sample image 1. Save. It's going to open up where you want it to save. Save to my desktop. And now I have this image saved on my desktop.